Hi everyone, I am Jiten Singh and today we are going to study the last chapter of supplementary Bholi is written by K.A. Alphonse. And the Bholi, let's begin with that chapter, that is Sulekha, known as Bholi. Means Bholi. Her father name was Ramlal and Ramlal was a revenue official. He was a representative of the government. And Ramlal has 7 children, 4 daughters and 3 sons. And the daughter name of Radha, Mangala, Champa, and the youngest daughter is Sulekha. Why we know Bholi as Sulekha as Bholi? Because Sulekha was very innocent. She was very simple. That's why each and every started to call her Bholi. And after that, the fate tragedy occurred with Bholi. When she was 7 month year old, so that time she had fallen from a cot and some part of her brain was damaged, and for that time when she became 2 year old, so that time she was unable to speak. When she became 5 year old, so she started to stammering. And after that, the second tragedy occurred with when she was 2 year old. So that time she was suffered with smallpox, and the whole body has, as soon as she just get relief from that smallpox, the deep poke marks was all over his body. So this is the tragedy occurred with that Bholi. The third heading, Bholi as worry for her parents. It was really that her parents, Ramlal and her mother, was very about that, because her other children was very healthy, and Radha, Mangala and Champa was easily got married. So both, and if you talk about Bholi, Bholi was neither intelligent nor beautiful. So that's why parents were worried about her marriage. A primary school at the village. When Bholi was 7 year old, so that time a primary school was inaugurated by the Tahsildar. In the opening ceremony, the Tahsildar said that, Ramlal, you are as a revenue official, you should send your daughter first in that school, because you just set an example before the other villagers, because you are a revenue official and you are the representative of the government. So Ramlal, he has not dared to oppose him, Tahsildar. And after that he asked his wife, and his wife said that somehow she managed to send Bholi at the primary school. The Bholi is encouragement by a teacher. The fifth topic, as soon as Bholi, when she was just dressed neat and clean and in a proper dress, first time she was dressed properly, and she went to that primary school. As soon as her teacher asked her name, so she started to stammering. She was unable to take the name of her. So other children started to laugh at her, and so her teacher encouraged a lot. What she said that if you come to school regular, so you are able to speak, and you become more intelligent, and no one dare in your village to laugh at you. So these lines changed her life. The village turned into town, and Bholi's marriage arranged with Visambar. When Bholi became adult, so that time one day she got an opportunity to hear her parents. Her parents were talking about her marriage. Her father said that in the neighboring village there was a Visambar, and he was 45 or 50 year old, and he was a grocer, and he has a property, and he has a money in the bank, and he has a children for her first wife. And the good thing was that Visambar did not know the pork on her face. Bholi's wedding ceremony and Bholi and the fixed date, Bisambar Prasad just arrived there with a marriage party, and there was a good brass band. Her sisters like Radha, Mangala and Champa, they jealous about that marriage party, because the marriage party was very fabulous. No one believed, no one thought that, even though her father not thought that the wedding ceremony, about that, the fabulous wedding ceremony. And after that, Bisambar Prasad, when the garland ceremony was going on, between that, Ramlal got an opportunity to see the Bholi's face, and he find out that there was a pock marks on her face, and he stopped everything, and what he said that if Bisambar Prasad give me 5,000 rupees, so I will ready for a marriage. Then I will marry Bholi. And Ramlal, he was sad and he was nervous. He has not even a chance. And what he did that, he had to pay 5,000 rupees to Bisambar. Bholi as a brave girl. As soon as her father Ramlal paid 5,000 money to Bisambar Prasad, he just throw her garland in the fire and said that she would not marry to Bisambar Prasad because he was lame, old and greedy person. All were astonished there. Her father became ashamed of that. The other people just ran away from that place. Bholi's last decision. Bholi, when her father was weeping that no one would marry to her, what she decided that she would teach in that same school where she studied, and she will teach and she will serve in her old age. And her teacher was also standing there, and she was watching Bholi's braveness, and after that she gave her agreement. And after that, this is the end of the chapter Bholi, and the message is that we should oppose. If anything is going to wrong, we should oppose. This shows that if you are educated person, so we should oppose what is going wrong. So this message giving that the chapter Bholi, and this is the end of that supplementary chapter. We will meet in the next chapter. For that, have a nice day.